Now this Wi-Fi dimmer switch is connected to Wi-Fi router already, so we can control it from Smart Knife app. Let's turn off this switch. Let's turn on the switch. Then let's adjust the brightness. Okay, turn off the switch. Now let's try to test the voice control function of this Wi-Fi dimmer switch from MartinJerry. Please make sure that this Wi-Fi dimmer switch can be controlled by Smart Knife app first. This is very important. Then try the Alexa control. Now let's begin. Echo. Turn off second floor.
Okay.
Echo. Turn on second floor.
Okay.
Echo. Dim second floor to 30%.
Okay.
Echo. Increase second floor to 100%.
Okay.
Echo. Turn off second floor.
Okay.